Up till question 4, hope you have understood the use of distributive property of multiplication over addition very nicely. With this property use only, now there are only two word problems remaining. Very simple, same concept, nothing is different, and seventh one is just match the following. So this will complete your exercise 2.2. So I am starting with the word problem. A taxi driver filled his petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. Next day he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol. If the petrol cost rupees 44 per liter, how much money did he spend in all? On first day, how much he poured? 40. Second day, how much he filled the tank? This is 50 liters. So you know cost of 1 liter is rupees 44. So cost of 40 liter will be 40 into 44. Similarly, cost of 1 liter is 44. Cost of 50 liter will be how much? 50 into 44. And then you have to add it. So just you have to write cost of 1 liter of petrol that is equal to rupees 44. Now cost of 40 liters of petrol on first day. So that will be how much? 1 liter rupees 44. 40 liters will be how much? 40 into 44. Yes, this much rupees. We will not multiply. We have to use properties here. Now similarly, second day it was 50. So cost of 50 liters of petrol on second day. So this will be 50 into 44. Keep it as it is. Now we will find total cost. Total cost is 40 into 44 plus 50 into 44. So here we have to write total cost, that is first is 40 into 44 plus 50 into 44. Now can we use distributive property here? Yes. This is A into B plus A into C. Can we use? So this is answer will be A into B plus C. This is your answer. This is given in this form. So I will write A, which is A. A is 44 into what is B? That is 40 plus what is C? 50. So this is 44 into 90. So this is 44 into 90. This will be rupees 3960. Right? Hope it is understood. Write the final statement. So total money spent is rupees 3960. Easy. So you could have done the multiplication and then added it. But here in this we have used the properties. If you multiply individually and add, then also you are going to get the same answer, but with the properties it is very easy. Now, sixth one, a vendor supplies 32 liters of milk in morning and 68 liters of petrol in the evening. Now, if the milk, this is actually is this milk only, in milk. So in morning it supplies 32 liters. In evening it supplies 68 liters of milk. The milk cost is rupees 45 per liter. Same concept, cost of 1 liter is given rupees 45. You have to find cost of 32 liter. So 32 into 45, then plus 68 into 45. So you will write cost of 1 liter of milk, that is equal to, what is the cost? Rupees 45. Now in morning how much it is supplying? 32. So cost of 32 liters of milk in morning, that will be 45 into 32. Right? 1 liter 45, 32 liter it will be 45 into 32. Now evening how much it is supplying? 68 liters. So cost of 68 liters of milk in evening, it will be 45 into 68. Don't multiply and write the answer. We are going to use the properties. So again, we will write total cost is equal to 45 into 32 plus 45 into 68. Again, A into B plus A into C. So I will take this as common, multiplied by remaining I will keep it in bracket, A into B plus C. Yes, so this is 45 multiplied by, if I do it, this is 100, it will be 4500. Again I have used distributive property. So total you have to find money, total money is rupees 4500. This is the answer. Okay, now seventh is just this one, match the following according to the properties. Now if this they have splitted, so this will be, see they have splitted this 6 plus 30 plus 100 and multiplication sign is there. So distributive of multiplication over addition. This is the match the following. Second, 2, 4, 9. So they have just rearranged. Rearrange means this is commutative property under multiplication. Then again they have rearranged these terms. So this will be commutative property over under addition. So this is the match the following, and this completes your exercise 2.2. Main insist the author has given on distributive property, and it is very helpful in further class. If you are still not understood, please contact me or comment me. Yes, so I want you have understood or not. If you are not understand, you can contact me personally also and tell me what is your doubt. But it should be clear. Concept should be clear. Okay, thank you.